Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to download file from Gmail in mobile, so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that you want to manage your emails with. Step 2. Now, once you're inside the app, take a moment to look through your inbox. Find and open the email that has the file you want to download. This email could be from someone you know or a company sending you a document, image, or PDF. Step 3. After opening the email, scroll down slowly. You'll see the attachment right there, usually placed at the bottom of the message or shown as a separate file icon. The type of file might also be mentioned right on the preview. Step 4. When you see the attachment, look closely for the download icon. It usually looks like a little arrow pointing downwards. Tap on that icon once, and just like that, your file will begin downloading to your mobile device. Step 5. To make sure the file is really downloaded, go back to your home screen. Now, find and open the File Manager app. It's the one that lets you browse files and folders on your phone. Inside the File Manager, head over to the Downloads section. This is where most files from Gmail or browsers get saved by default. Look through the list, and you'll find the file you just downloaded. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.